Hi everyone, my name is Giuseppe and we're back today and we're going to talk about some control flows. So I just want to go over ifs and else if statements and we're going to talk about the switch statement and we're going to run through some coding examples. So I've been on my PC, my Dell laptop for the most part. Today I decided to switch over to my Mac laptop and we're going to do some coding in here. The program I use is called CodeRunner. I actually purchased this program off the App Store for like $9.99 and it's great. It handles any kind of language that's out there and even plain text. So I just like to use this while I'm on my Mac. It's simpler than Eclipse. So if you're not on a Mac, you can open up Eclipse, and or even if you are on a Mac, you can still open up Eclipse, or you can just follow along this coding demonstration, which is the code is going to be the same no matter what IDE that we're going to be in. So let's talk about the ifs and switch statements. So in Java, conditionals work similarly to the way they work in other languages. They provide a way to make a decision and then execute one or more different statement blocks based on the outcome of that decision. So the syntax of an if statement is as follows. I'm going to make some comments. We have an if and then a Boolean expression. We talked about Booleans, true or false. And then you have the true body, and then we have an else, and then the false body. So we can use this to have the program make a decision. If this is false, do this. If this is true, do this. So they're either these true body or false bodies are either a single statement or a block of coding statements, usually enclose braces. So let's go over a quick example. So winter's coming. We always want it to snow. Why? Because if it snows, then we don't have to go to class, and we really like to not go to class and have a break and go sledding or something. So we're going to have an integer value, and we're going to say it's the snow level. And we're going to give it a value of 4. So we're going to say snow level in inches. And we're just going to comment our way through here. So in my high school, I remember about 6 inches of snow would really kind of be the breaking point. So if there was less than 6 inches of snow, we would go to school. If there was more than 6 inches, chances are we had a delayed opening or there was a half day or school was closed. So let's work on this if statement. So we want to compare the snow level. So if the snow level is less than 6, then we're going to print go back to bed. Oh, sorry, no. We're not going back to bed if it's less than 6 inches. We're going to put get up and get ready for school. Okay, we're going to close that. Then we're going to say else if the snow level was, oh no, we're going to say if the snow level is less than 2, sorry about that, if snow level is less than 2, get up and get ready for school. If the snow level is less than 5, let's print something like school is open, but sledding may be a more fun option. And then our else statement is going to take care of whether the snow level is greater than 5. So if it's 6 or 7 or 8 or anything above that. So we're going to say system.out.println go back to sleep. School is closed. Okay. Wow, I really can't spell. School is closed. Okay. So let's give it a shot. We're going to run this. And we get schools open, but sledding may be a more fun option. Because our snow level was 4. Our snow level was not less than 2. It was greater than 2, so we jump down here. Was snow level less than 5? Yes, so we printed out school is open, but sledding might be a more fun option. What if we change this? What if I make the snow level 8? And I run this. Go back to sleep, school is closed. And let's try 1 inch of snow. Get up and get ready for school. Because this executed, this did not execute even though 1 is less than 5 because of this else if. We're saying if this is not true, try this. But if not, then this is going to go. Alright, so let's leave that up there for our snow level example. And let's talk about switch statements. So Java provides for a multiple value control flow using the switch statement, which is useful with enumerated types. But so let's run through an example based on a variable d of the day enum type of, oh, sorry, I'm going to have to think of a different example and merge these two videos together.